Right, so on the way back from Himley Hall today, I suffered quite a big misfire. I was stuck in quite a lot of traffic, and I think my thoughts were that it's failed a spark plug. I've just I've just took all the plugs out. Number 4 was absolutely soaking wet, so it hadn't been firing, obviously. The other 3 were okay. So now, I've just, looking into neutral, I've just cleaned up the spark plugs, put them back in, and see if I've still got a misfire. If I have, then obviously it's something else. So we'll see. Wish me luck. Oh. Yeah, sorted. I really thought it was going to be head gasket or something, but no. She's back to life again. Absolutely brilliant. That's made my day.